विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ब्रिज कोर्स म्हणजे सेतू अभ्यासाच्या इयत्ता 8वीच्या विज्ञान या विषयाची टेस्ट नंबर 1 आज आपण सोडवणार आहोत. इंग्रजी आणि सेमी इंग्रजीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ही टेस्ट आहे. फ्रेंड्स, in bridge course today we are going to solve the test number 1 for subject science in English. You can write all answers with me. Friends, you have to request to subscribe our channel for more videos about bridge course. सेमी इंग्रजी आणि इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या इयत्ता 8वीच्या विज्ञान या विषयाची उत्तरपत्रिका आणि उत्तरे आपण अभ्यासूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. फर्स्ट, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग केमिकल रिएक्शन. हियर one reaction is given. Second question is, write 2 example of chemical preservative. And third question is, identify who I am, in which type of nutrition you will add me. I live in the hair on head and get food by absorbing blood. Look at answers. Question number 1. First, this is the reaction of photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O is equal to C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. Question number 1. Second, chemical preservatives are acetic acid, citric acid and sodium benzoate. Question number 1.3. Animals live on head and get food by absorbing blood are louse, bite bug and tick. Such a type of nutrition is called ectoparasite nutrition, and such animals are called ectoparasites. You can write your answers in your own language. Now question number 2, answer the following questions. In which first, what precaution should you take when buying food in an airtight container bags? Why? Second question, classify the given quantities into scalar quantity and vector quantity. Example, area, velocity, weight, speed, displacement, distance and mass. And third question, why does this happen? Answer of these questions are: question number 2A, I took precaution when buying in an airtight container or bags. First, I check the expiry date of food container, bottled, canned and packed food. Second, I use this food within that particular time. I took such a precautions while buying in an airtight container or bags because shopkeeper changed the expiry date of the food packets and airtight containers to avoid a financial loss, and this food is harmful to our body. That's why I took some precautions while buying foods in container or packed bags. Question number 2, second, scalar quantities are area, mass and speed. Vector quantities are weight, displacement and velocity. Friends, you can divide such a quantities with help of their definitions and particular information about scalar and vector quantities. Next is question number 3. When a cold water bottle is taken out of the fridge, water droplets appear on the outer face. Answer is, when a cold water bottle is taken out of the fridge, water droplets appear on the outer surface of the bottle because due to the ice cubes in the bottle, the air surrounding the glass cool down. As the water vapor in this air cools down, it condenses and gets transformed into water. It is this water that collects on the outer surface of the bottle, and we can see water droplets are appear on the outer surface of the bottle. Next question number 4. The property of the water shown in the picture is called anomalous behavior of water. This is the picture of anomalous behavior of the water. What is the advantage of this for aquatic animals? Advantage of anomalous behavior of water in cold countries. Aquatic animals remain alive even after rivers or lakes freeze in water. These animals go into deep in the water where temperature is rise. Next question. Identify the name of the plant in the picture. Name of the plant in the picture is cactus. And next part of the question is, explain the adaptations of the trunk, root and leaf. Desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles or have been modified into thorns. As a result, they lost very little water by evaporation. The stem stores water and food and is therefore fleshy. The stems are green as they perform photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. These roots penetrate deep into the soil, and some root spread away into the soil in search of water. This is the very long answer of question. Next question is, write the name of part A and part B of this leaf. Part A is leaf apex and part B is stipule. Stipule, stipule. Next question is, what is the type of leaf? This type of leaf is simple leaves. Look at the given picture of leaf. We can see easily that this type of leaf is simple leaves. Next question is, how are the veins in the leaf arranged? Veins in the leaves are arranged in parallel venation. Remember, veins in the simple leaves are arranged in a parallel venation. Next question. I repeat the third question. How are the veins in the leaf arranged? Veins in the leaves in given picture are arranged in parallel venation. Thank you.